There are several oils that are commonly used in hair care to promote healthy hair and address specific hair concerns. Here are some popular hair care oils and their benefits. Coconut oil. Benefits: moisturizes and conditions hair, reduces protein loss, adds shine, and can help with dandruff and itchy scalp. How to use: apply warm coconut oil to the hair, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, and then wash it out. Argan oil. Benefits: adds shine, reduces frizz, and provides deep conditioning. It's rich in vitamin E and fatty acids. How to use: apply a small amount to damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends. Olive oil. Benefits: moisturizes and adds shine, can help with dandruff, and is rich in antioxidants. How to use: warm olive oil and apply it to the hair, leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, and then wash it out. Jojoba oil. Benefits: similar to the natural sebum produced by the scalp, helps balance oil production, moisturizes, and adds shine. How to use: apply a few drops to damp hair or the scalp. Castor oil. Benefits: promotes hair growth, strengthens hair, and can help with dandruff. How to use: massage castor oil into the scalp and hair, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, and then wash it out. Avocado oil. Benefits: moisturizes, strengthens hair, and contains vitamins A, D, and E. How to use: apply to damp hair, leave it on for 15–20 minutes, and then rinse. Sweet almond oil. Benefits: nourishes and moisturizes hair, adds shine, and can help with dandruff. How to use: apply a small amount to the hair, focusing on the ends. Grapeseed oil. Benefits: lightweight, moisturizes, and adds shine without leaving a greasy residue. How to use: apply a small amount to the hair, focusing on the ends. Tea tree oil. Benefits: has antibacterial and antifungal properties, helps with dandruff, and can soothe an itchy scalp. How to use: add a few drops to your regular shampoo or mix with a carrier oil and massage into the scalp. Remember to perform a patch test before using any new oil to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. The effectiveness of these oils may vary from person to person, so it's essential to find the ones that work best for your hair type and specific concerns.